Well, I hope you enjoyed learning about Git. Now, if you for the first time have just learned about Git and you're kind of overwhelmed, like, oh my gosh, this is a lot. Like, what is this staged versus unstaged? I don't really get the idea behind these commits, and why do I have to add files, all this, right? Well, don't worry. The first time I heard about Git, it was kind of like, okay, I sort of get what's going on, but I have no idea what's going on. I promise as time goes by and you use this more and more, you'll realize the value in it. And this is beyond just Django. Any sort of developer is going to have to use Git at some point. And so the fact that you're starting here is great. Specifically in this course, when we're working with the server, right, taking our existing code, pushing it to a server, at that point, you'll really start to understand like, whoa, this thing is really, really cool. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them as a comment to this video. I'll do whatever I can to help you out. But it is time to move on to our second website. And I'm excited for this one because this is where we really start ramping things up with Django. Let's get to it.